Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can use the trigger function in PowerPoint, so let's get right into it. Now, triggers are basically on-click prompts to enable animations for different objects, so I'll be showing you guys how you can do this. Firstly, I'll add an object such as this oval, and I'll make it pretty large, and I'll just put it in the middle of my screen. Now, for the object that I actually want to trigger, I'll go into insert and I'll add a text box, which I will type in trigger, and I'll make it a bit bigger so that you can see it very clearly. Let me make it sort of this large and place it in the middle of the actual bubble. Now, as you can see, none of these have animations. Both the text box and the oval have no animation, but let's say I add an animation for the text to appear. For example, let's say float in. It is a very nice animation to my eyes, so I'll just select that, and as you can see, now it is animated. If I go into slideshow and go from current slide and click anywhere, the trigger word will appear. However, we want to actually make it connected to the oval. How do we do that? Firstly, you want to select the trigger text box, then you want to go into the animation pane under the animations window or tab, click on animation pane, and as you can see, you have that pane here. You can play and see how long your animations last. Whoops, I did not want to do that. But if you select the text box and go into triggers, you can select on click of, and let's say I want the animation to be triggered on the click of the oval. We just select that, and as you can see, the trigger for oval 13 has been added. What you want to do now is pretty much just present, and if I go to the current slide, as you can see, once I hover over the oval, my cursor changes. If I click on the white background, it'll just go to the end of the slideshow. However, if I click on the actual oval, the animation will be triggered and the text for the trigger will appear. And however much I click the oval, the animation will play again and again, and that is pretty much all there is to it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.